persevered through the challenge. Consequently, he received a promotion. Nonetheless, they had a great time at the beach. Furthermore, the team won the championship. 161 to 170, idioms and phrasal verb. He kicked the habit and quit smoking. She put on her thinking cap to solve the problem. They hit the books to prepare for the exam. The new policy cut both ways for the employees. He spilled the beans about the surprise party. She kept her cool during the crisis. They broke the ice with a friendly conversation. The project fell through due to unforeseen issues. I'll hang in there until things get better. The plan fell apart at the last minute. 171 to 180, punctuation. My favorite colors are blue, green, and purple. She waited patiently for the bus to arrive. The concert was loud, however, it was enjoyable. Reading books, writing essays, and solving puzzles are my hobbies. He finished the race first, consequently, he won a medal. The dog barked loudly, startling the neighbors. She opened the letter and read it carefully. We laughed, cried, and shared memories. The project is due on Monday, thus, we must work over the weekend. I like apples, oranges, and bananas. 181 to 190, passive voice. The cake was baked by Mary. The letter was written by the manager. The novel was read by millions. The movie was directed by Steven Spielberg. The report was submitted yesterday. The message was delivered to the wrong person. The song was composed by a talented musician. The decision was made by the committee. The room was cleaned by the housekeeper. The mistake was overlooked by the editor. 191 to 200, miscellaneous topics. She caught a glimpse of the shooting star. The fire alarm went off unexpectedly. They danced until the early morning. The river flowed calmly through the valley. The spaceship traveled beyond the solar system. The sunflower turned towards the sunlight. The baby's laughter echoed in the room. The professor explained the concept thoroughly. The old man shared his life story with us. The team celebrated their victory with a parade. Feel free to mix and match these sentences or modify them according to your preferences. The key is to practice regularly and diversify your sentence structures and vocabulary to enhance your overall proficiency in English. Let's continue with more sentences across various grammar topics. 201 to 210, simple sentence. The bird sings melodiously. I paint landscapes as a hobby. She fixes her bicycle every weekend. We play board games on rainy days. The chef prepares delicious desserts.